In number 17, we're provided with a rational function, and we want to find out which of the following statements is true. So I'm going to start by factoring this. If I factor the top, I have x minus 4 times x minus 2. And if I factor the bottom, first I'm going to factor out an x, and I have x squared minus 4x plus 4. And I can see that this trinomial then factors into x minus 2 and x minus 2. All right, so this is the factored form of this original rational function. So I'm going to write whole, and I'm going to write vertical asymptote. And next I'm going to try to simplify. So here's x minus 2 on the top and the bottom. That's simplified to 1. That means potentially we have a whole at x equals 2. Nothing else can simplify. Now I'm going to take each one of these quantities and set it equal to 0. That means we have a vertical asymptote at 0 and a vertical asymptote when I set this equal to 0 and solve at 2. Now just like we did in problem number 1 of this MCQ practice, if you have a duplicate value in both your column that represents where holes could be found and vertical asymptotes, if there's a duplicate, that vertical asymptotes will always trump. So in this case, there is no hole, and there's two vertical asymptotes both at x equals 0 and x equals 2. So here we go. We have vertical asymptotes at both x equals 0 and x equals 2. Correct answer is A.